Good morning, traders, and welcome back to your daily ES Futures breakdown. It is Thursday, March 27, and we're coming off a solid shift in momentum. As you know, the bulls had their shot, but the bears hit back with a vengeance at 5,830, yesterday's line in the sand, rejecting that level and dragging price back into last week's range. We even saw a solid test of the March 23 gap with a double distribution and single print forming below 5,790. The tone has shifted. Let's look a little deeper. The 10-day volume profile shows us that we are trading once again in last period's value area, filling this poor structure right here. Price respected the previous value area high and has now settled back into its own value range. On the weekly chart structure, we see my previous warning right here. Watch out for sellers. Yesterday we tapped both the 5,816 level and the 200 value range extension, and there we had the rejection. We are still trading above last week's POC with this failed breakout above the weekly range. We need to keep a close eye on this last week's high. This could be a tipping point. We see the order flow telling the truth on the 2-hour delta chart. Sellers dominated below the weekly VWAP at 5,805. Price couldn't reclaim this previous 5,830 line in the sand and instead drifted into balance inside the Monday New York gap. And on the TPO session, we see the same. On the TPO session, we see the structure right here with a downside range extension, double distribution forming right here with value holding firmly below this 5,770 area. A bigger volume gap sits right here around 5,772. We also see some single prints between 5,790 and 5,785. So we jump into the 1-hour chart and we see that we are still trading inside this New York gap from Monday. Globex tried pushing deeper into the Globex gap from Monday, but the access was denied. And today's strike range is widening with a high at 5,965 and a low at 5,750. As for a game plan, my line in the sand will be 5,772, lining up with last week's high, the low volume node gap right here, and also Globex high. Bulls will want to reclaim this zone and start their longs at 5,775, targeting 5,785, 5,800 and 5,815. While the bears can take control below 5,765 with their eyes on 5,753, 5,740 and 5,722. So guys, right now we are dancing right at the edge of balance and imbalance. With multiple data drops before the open, any hesitation will be punished. Do not improvise. Let the market reveal its hand and strike only when your setup aligns. If you want to turn these insights into real trades with confidence, check out my Sentinel playbook and the free newsletter. It matches these daily plans step by step. Hit that like, subscribe and the notification bell, and I'll catch you in the next one. Let's get it.